Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're gonna look at how to install the B2 Suite version 2. When it's the first installation, we open the full setup which we have prepared previously on the home desktop. The software will be automatically installed with administration rights. The setup wizard will lead you then through the complete installation of the software. After the successful installation of the software, you should now be able to start the program.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.